Hi there, Tenzi here. When it comes to gift giving, there is something truly delightful about selecting that perfect gift for the crochet lover in your life. Crocheters are a unique group known for their passion and dedication to the craft, and finding a gift that aligns with their creative journey can be a rewarding experience. In this video, we'll explore a selection of thoughtful and practical gifts which will bring joy to any crocheter. These gifts are not just items, they're tokens of appreciation that recognize the artistry, dedication, and the skill that go into every crocheted masterpiece. Let's find the ideal gifts that will make any crocheter's day, sparking inspiration and creativity in their beloved craft. Links to these gifts will be also provided in the description below for your convenience. Let's dive into it. First, hooks. Choose those hooks with comfortable handles and smooth surfaces because they offer a smoother stitching experience, ensuring that yarn flows effortlessly over the hook. They maintain stitch consistency, resulting in a more uniform and polished final product. Durability is another vital aspect, as these hooks are constructed from robust materials capable of withstanding frequent use. Their comfortable and ergonomically designed handles minimize hand and finger strain during extended crochet sessions, preventing discomfort and fatigue. These hooks come in a variety of styles and sizes, allowing you to work with different yarn types and handle various crochet patterns with ease. Stitch markers. In crochet, we use metal and plastic stitch markers, and they're pretty important. Metal ones are strong and last a long time. They slide easily in the yarn and are great for making special stitches or parts of your crochet project. Now, plastic stitch markers are different. They're lightweight and come in different shapes and colors and can be used in many crochet projects. They're gentle on the yarn so they don't cause any damage. You can use them to mark stitches, keep track of pattern repeats, or highlight important spots in your pattern. Both metal and plastic markers help you crochet more precisely and make fewer mistakes. The straight tapestry needles are needles that have a straight body and a blunt tip. So they're perfectly useful for tasks like weaving loose yarn ends. Crocheters often leave tails of yarn after completing a project, and a straight tapestry needle makes it easy to thread those tails and neatly secure them within the crochet fabric. Curved tapestry needles have a gentle bend in their body, which can be advantageous when working on more complex and three-dimensional crochet projects like amigurumi. The curved shape allows you to navigate through tight or curved spaces within your crochet work. For example, when attaching amigurumi limbs or shaping the edges of a stuffed toy. The curve helps you reach stitches that may be challenging to access with a straight needle. It can save you time and effort in shaping and finishing your crochet creations. Scissors. After finishing your project, there are often loose ends that need trimming. Scissors make that task quick, leaving crochet work neat. Some crochet projects may require detailed work. Embroidery scissors offer that precision needed for snipping yarn or thread in tight spots. And these compact scissors are easy to carry around, ensuring crocheters always have a reliable tool even on the go. And the main ingredient, yarn. Each type of yarn, whether it's acrylic, cotton, or wool, offers distinct advantages that cater to different crochet projects and preferences. Acrylic yarn is a popular choice among crocheters for several reasons. Its affordability and wide range of vibrant colors make it an excellent option for creative projects. Additionally, acrylic yarn is easy to take care for, as it can be machine washed and dried. This makes it a practical choice for items like baby blankets, or everyday wearables. Cotton yarn. Crocheters often turn to cotton yarn for its unique qualities. Cotton is highly absorbent, making it ideal for kitchen items like dishcloths and pot holders. Its natural breathability also makes it suitable for warm weather garments. Furthermore, cotton yarn is hypoallergenic, making it safe for choice for those with sensitive skin. And wool. Wool yarn is prized for its warmth and softness. It's an excellent choice for cozy winter accessories such as scarves and mittens. Wool's natural insulating properties make it perfect for cold climates. Additionally, wool has a rustic and luxurious feel that adds an extra touch of comfort to any handmade item. So, I hope you like all these ideas. These presents address both the practical requirements of crochet lovers and contribute to their creative expressions, making their crafting time even more enjoyable. They are thoughtful gifts that can bring joy and inspiration to those who receive them. Don't forget to check out the links to these gift ideas in the description below. Plus, for even more gift ideas, you can watch the next gift idea video.